Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Beauty by Step. And today I want to show you my little zucchinis. My female flower has blossomed this morning. And see, I don't know if you can see there's the zucchini right there. There's another one coming in right there. Hopefully it blossoms in the next 2 to 3 days. So I'm going to try to hand pollinate this morning before I go to work, because I have to go to work really quick. And here, over here is my male flower. I'm gonna just snap this one off this plant here. Crap. Oh no. Alright. Hold on. Try to snap this off so I can pollinate these. I'll pollinate this plant here. And this stem here, I don't know if you can see, this stem here is the one that you'll use to pollinate the female flower here. Hold on. Okay. I've been waiting for so long for this. Oh no. But thanks for watching, and I'll let you guys know what happens. Thank you. Like, comment, and subscribe.